Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to make a tutorial about Hello Kitty Island Adventures, guys. And in this tutorial I'm going to share with you that how you actually can get a copy of the game for free, guys. And if you want to learn how to do this, then watch the video until the end. I'm going to share with you all the steps I did for myself so you can learn also you how to do it, okay? So I'm just going to turn the camera in the other side, guys, to show you all the steps you need to follow in order to get the game. So follow me until the end, so if you want to learn how to do this. So as you can see, guys, I have right in front of you my iPhone. I suggest also you to grab your smartphone because you're going to need it in order to get a copy of the game. It doesn't matter the device you are using. It can be iOS, it can be Android. The steps are going to be the same. So we're going to get a game code, guys, which you're going to get a copy of the game with this game code after with it, okay? So all you have to do, guys, you just have to go to your internet browser. You can use any kind of internet browser you prefer, Safari, Google, any kind that you want. Go and search in the searching bar about this site. It's called Lulu coupons.com. all right, so once you're gonna enter inside, guys, you have a lot of other things inside of the site. You can use the dark mode if you want. Here I'm just going to use the searching bar. It's easier to find, and type the name of the game, Hello. Okay, just let me refresh one more time the page, maybe any error. Let's try again. Okay, here we are. You press on it, guys, and then you have the information here, and then get the code, and then show coupon code. So we just need to wait a couple of seconds to check the validity of the coupons and the coupons left. All right, so they update daily, I think, the coupons, and here you're gonna get this sign to get the full code because the code got locked and we need to unlock it. So what you have to do, get the full code. You just need to read the instructions, guys. It's going to take you to this next page. You just need to read the instructions. It's very simple to do it. Anyway, I'm going to explain to you as well how to do it. So it says to download the complete 2 apps below to unlock Hello Kitty Island Adventure game code. And you have a note here: do not use VPN or proxy. Probably it will fail if you're going to do that. So in this list below, guys, as you can see, you have all the apps here. They are for free. You don't have to pay anything, and all the apps are from App Store and Play Store, so you don't have to worry about to do something outside official stores. So all you have to do, guys, you just need to choose these two apps to complete as a task in order to unlock the code, and you just need to read the instructions because every app has different instructions, so you can do it correctly, okay? So how it works: once you're going to choose it, try to choose which is the simplest one and the easiest one so you don't lose too much time. For example, I'm going to put this game point. This is easy one. It just says to follow the instructions in the next page. And in the next page it says you just need to, it's going to take me to App Store because I use iOS, and in App Store I just need to search Bingo Games and then to find Game Point Bing. So I just need to install it and open it. So basically open, it will take me to App Store, as you can see, and Play Store if you're using Android, and type game, sorry, it was Bingo Games, I think, right? Bingo Games, yeah. Bingo Games, and then we're going, here it is. So you just need to download this one, and then after I complete this one I have to do another one. So I'm just gonna do it, guys, and I'm just gonna speed it up this part so not to make the video too long, and once I do it I'm gonna explain to you the rest, okay? So I just finished, guys. As you can see, I did Game Point Bingo and Family Island. So if you're gonna back to the site now, and here it is, Family Island and Game Point Bingo. So once I completed both of these two, now what you have to do, guys, you have to just go back and again on the site, and as you can see, the code got revealed, got unlocked. Just copy the code, guys, give a like to the site if you like it, and basically this is it. So don't share your code before you purchase your game before, okay, because this is one-time use code. And if you need any help, guys, just let me know in the comment section. I'll be very happy to get in touch with you and try to help you with everything you need. See you in the next videos. Cheers.